Hi.
Oh shit. You friendly?
I am if I'm winning.
Then I'm friendly too. Name's Zeke. People call me Zeke. Seeing as we're all stuck out here, anything you want to trade? Ah shit. There's a guy downstairs called Danny who used to work where he was.
An explosion? I bet that's her. That looks like a human. Cool. Hi, Des.
Well, hi yourself. Who are you?
Amy. Hannah sent me to check you weren't feeding the wildlife.
What? Oh, Hannah's such a worrywart. I just got caught up in my experiments.
You all have kind of a thing for dangerous experiments, huh?
Yeah, fair. Look, long story short, I looted a grenade launcher, and I think I can make some pretty cool grenades with the stuff around here. I couldn't find a couple things on my shopping list yet, but I got enough to test the concept.
A grenade launcher? You got style.
You know, since you're here, you could join in on the field testing fun by herding zombies into the proving ground. But like, I haven't got the mix right on some of the chemicals, so not gonna lie, it could be kinda dangerous.
So what else is new? Okay, let's do it.
Okay, west side! West side! Here we go!
Oh, all right!
Now the other rap faction. East side! East side for the next explosion!
You go, girl!
Ooh, running kind of low on my prototype. Better make him count. North now! North! original idea will work.
We gotta do more of this. What were you saying before? You need some extra things?
Oh, right. Well, I came here looking for 4 things, really. I already got a hold of 2 of them, and you saw the results.
Sure did.
One of the other 2 is... You're gonna think I'm nuts, but it's like zombie, parts. There's a weird zombie in the main dome, see? And some of them have, like, extra goop or organs in them, and those...
Yeah, it's okay. I know what you're talking about. I'm using that goop myself.
You are? Oh my god, we have got to share notes later. Okay, I was also looking for some Mother of Satan.
Okay. Now you lost me. Satan's mother?
AKA TATP, triacetone triperoxide. Can you root through the Quartermaster's documents for where it's stored while I keep looking in the main dome?
Sounds easy enough. See you back at the dome. Interesting. TATP's in storeroom 3. I'll give Des the good news back at the dome.
I put together a few more surprises for them while you were gone. So let's get this shit done. Oh, there it is! The weird screaming one! It's the one I need because it's like electrified! Sick 'em! That's fucking amazing! Look at you go! Damn, you were just 31 flavors of ass kicker all at once, huh? Come here, let's compare data and see what we got. I thought Rav and Bozzy were blowing smoke up my ass, but I take it all back. You, my friend, live up to the hype.
I have my moments. And that Mother of Satan stuff is in storeroom 3 if you want to grab it.
Absolutely. Oh, we should call in and let Hannah know she can stop hyperventilating into a paper bag or whatever else it is she does for fun.
You didn't call her yet? I'm gonna do it now. Hi, Hannah. It's Amy. Your lost sheep is alive, well, and blowing up zombies.
Hi! Fuck. I thought the radio silence meant... Oh, fuck. I'm gonna rip a strip off her narrow ass when she gets back.
Uh-oh.
She's there? She heard that? Good. Fuck. Look, you've done right by me. By all us Bobcats. So, I'm gonna do right by you. I found a code for a lockbox or chest somewhere around the Lotusville Mall.
No way, Hannah. You're parting ways with the Mystery Apocalypse goodie box? I thought you were planning a whole op around snacking it.
Well, you earned it. A couple times over. I think you'll be happy with what you find. I've hijacked a scope to push the info to your phone.
Cool.
I think that's my cue to grab my loot and get back to the canals. Thanks again, though. It's been a fucking gas.
Yeah. Good luck, Bobcats. See you on the other side. Back to Patton's place, then. Hello? Hello? It's Ames. Come in, Emma Jaunt. Sam? Anybody? Left a few for me, huh, Sam? I must have the record for zombie killing. Wish I'd kept score. Hello? Emma? Sam?